chain. So where's my third chain? To my channel, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name's Shanice Lynn. Welcome to my channel, and if you're returning, then what's up? So today I have a jewelry haul. I purchased some items from Shop Gold. It just came in today, but I purchased some items from Shop Gold, and I'm going to do kind of like a haul with the items I got. I only got 3 items, but we got a lot to talk about. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. All right, so getting straight into it, I did get this from, like I said, Shop GLD or Shop Gold. It is a jewelry, I don't want to call it a store because I don't know if they actually have a store in Miami, but it is based in Miami. But I know them from Instagram. They work with many celebrities like Wiz Khalifa, Rick Ross, Snoop Dogg, all the big celebrities. So I did get my jewelry from there, and I haven't opened it. So I'm gonna open it, show y'all what's inside, all the goodies, and just let y'all know how I feel about it. So take my keys. Okay, so straight out, it comes in a white box. I'm not going to turn it around because it does have my information on the box, and you know, it can't be showing all that. So. Alright, so this is inside the box. So it's wrapped in this. Okay. So this is what it comes in, just a black box with GLD and yellow on the sides. So I'm gonna pour this. Surprisingly, it's kind of small for 3 items, but so this is what it comes in. Has a little zipper. I'm gonna open it. Is that it? That's all that comes in it? Okay. Now, so we have the chains. 2 chains. Okay, right off the bat, there's a problem. So this was supposed to come with, okay, so the deal was buy one get one free, which of course buy one get one free, but it's also supposed to come with a micro tennis chain, and as you all can see, there's no chain. So that's a problem because where's my chain? Where's my third chain? So right off the bat, these things are dancing. Hold up now. I wish they would have put like some type of label, but I didn't get no type of card. No, nothing. Like, I watched reviews before I got this, and people were getting like just like warranty cards and stuff like that. So it's kind of like whatever. All right, so I'm gonna take one out the bag. Now I did get a 16-inch chain, and oh baby, these things, I don't know if y'all can see that, but these things are dancing. Oh, these things are dancing. I like that. So just looking at it, it looks pretty fire. So on the back of the chain, it does have G's going down like that. And then on the clasp, it just has the GLD logo with the black. I'm not really a fan of that, but I kind of knew it was already gonna come like that. So I have a 16-inch chain and a 18-inch chain. Let's see how to open this. All right, so it opens like this, and it has a little slot right here. See that slot right here that you hook this on, and then you will close it. And this looks like the 16-inch. So yeah, this is the 16-inch chain. And then we have the 18-inch. And this is the same as the one that's on my neck. Dancing, of course. Okay, so let's get into everything. So I said that it didn't come with the warranty card. I lied. It was in the box. It wasn't actually in this box, which I thought it was going to come in, or you know, the box with the chains in. But here is the card right here. It just says GLD, and then it is stamped in the back. I'm gonna open this up. It just says authenticity and lifetime guarantee. Keep this card if I guess your chain breaks or anything like that. I don't think that's gonna focus, but you do get the points. So it comes with that. And then of course it comes with what you ordered, which I'm not gonna turn it around because it has my address on it. But as you all can tell, like, I'm not tripping. It's supposed to come with 3 chains. Like, where's the 3rd chain? So what I was supposed to get was a 20-inch micro tennis necklace in yellow gold, 18 karat gold plated. And yeah, so that's what I was supposed to get, but I didn't get it. I only got the 2 clustered chains in the 16-inch and the 18-inch, which is kind of like, you know. But overall, shipping was good. Shipping was fast. I got this in 2 to 4 days. I would do a kind of outside test, but it's storming currently. Overall, I'm happy. I mean, I wish I would have got my 3rd chain. So I probably will contact Shop Gold and be like, where my 3rd chain at? Because it ain't in here. That's really all I have to say. I'll try to see if I can do like a shine test, but I don't know if you all can tell, but it is glistening on me. But yeah, so far I give it a 8 out of 10 because I need my other chain. So all right guys, so that's all I have for today. Like I said, I will do a shine test at the end so you all can see basically how it looks in the lights. Hey guys, it's currently 6:20 and I'm here with the 18-inch chain, and this is what it looks like outside. The sun's not really out, but I did want to come outside and show you this chain. And yeah. Just so you can see the details. Okay, so this is the chain in the dark with the flash on. And it is dancing. Look at that. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And like always, you all stay safe, and I will see you guys next time.
Take this way. got cash on me. She gon' spaz on me. Let me take this flight. I got gas on